All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about digital sovereignty. It's this idea of, taking back control of the one thing you can never get more of, your attention. We're going to break down how you can actually escape those algorithms that are built from the ground up to trap you.
We've all been there, right? You pop open YouTube just to watch one quick thing. Maybe it's a how-to video or just a song you wanted to hear. And then you blink, and somehow a whole hour is just gone. You've been bouncing from one recommended video to the next, and you honestly can't even remember why you opened the app in the first place.
Look, this isn't some personal failure of willpower. Not at all. It's because you walked right into a perfectly engineered system, the suggestion loop. Its entire reason for existing is to figure out what you'll click on next and to keep you on their platform for as long as humanly possible. So yeah, let's call it what it is, a digital trap. It's incredibly subtle, unbelievably powerful, and it works by feeding you this never-ending stream of content that feels just interesting enough to keep you hooked.
But I want you to really think about that feed for a second. How much of the stuff that's being shoved in front of you is genuinely useful? I mean, how much of it actually improves your life versus just being something random that caught your eye?
The number is pretty wild. According to the source material for this explainer, a full 99% of what that algorithm is showing you, it's not what you think. It's what the source calls useless filler. It's content that, when you really stop and think about it, gives you nothing of real value. It doesn't teach you a new skill, it doesn't make you smarter, it doesn't help you get closer to your goals. It's basically digital junk food, and it's designed to be consumed without you ever really thinking about it. And binging on that 99% has a very real cost. This isn't just about wasting a couple of minutes. It's about what that lost time really represents.
I love this metaphor of a life progress bar. Seriously, think of your goals like a video game. When you're just mindlessly scrolling through that filler content, your progress bar is barely moving an inch. But when you're moving quieter, when you're intentional, that bar just shoots forward. And this is the key takeaway here. Every hour you lose to that suggestion loop isn't just a lost hour. It's an hour you didn't spend learning something new, building something cool, working out, or, actually talking to people in the real world. Your progress on what actually matters to you is literally stalled. Okay, but here is the good news. There is a way out of this. You can absolutely break the loop and start getting that progress back. And the strategy is called moving quieter.
So what is moving quieter? It's all about making a conscious decision. It's not about deleting all your apps or throwing your phone away. It's about redesigning your digital world to be less loud. By just getting rid of all the algorithmic noise, you create quiet space for actual focus. You get to do more life.
And you won't believe how easy it is to start. First, just become aware of the loop. Just notice when you're in it. That's half the battle right there. Second, use a simple tool. The source points to one called Untrap that literally hides all the suggested videos and comments. And step 3, just enjoy the peace and quiet. You can finally use the platform as a search engine, not an entertainment vortex. Find what you need, then get out.
So what's the payoff for doing this? Well, it's something the source material calls your invisible advantage. Because while almost everyone else is stuck in that loop, you're quietly moving ahead. And the rewards are huge. You basically turn the internet from a loud, flashy casino into a quiet, organized library. You stop just scrolling and you actually start living. And that life progress bar we talked about, it starts filling up way, way faster. It gives you this huge competitive edge over everyone who's still trapped.
I mean, just look at this. This chart shows the difference in your life progress rate. This isn't a tiny improvement we're talking about. It's a massive shift in how quickly and effectively you can move towards your own goals. That's the power you get when you take your focus back from the algorithm.
So, it all comes down to this one final question. Once you've broken free, once you've clawed back all those hours from the useless filler, you're suddenly left with this incredible surplus of time and focus. The only thing left to ask is, what are you gonna build with it?